In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete parental controls on Android. So first of all, launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. What you have to do is simply scroll down and find the option for Google and tap on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, all services. Now you'll be able to find various services of Google. Simply scroll down. Under the section for kids and family, you'll be able to find this option for parental controls. Tap on it. You can see over here it is already turned off for me, but I'll tell you what to do. So what you have to do is simply access the menu by tapping on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen and select the option for stop supervision. Once you do that, follow through the prompts. You'll be prompted to enter your parents' password or code, so simply enter it. After you do that, follow through the prompts and the supervision will be stopped, but keep in mind your parents will be notified regarding that. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you turn off parental control on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.